Hello friends, let's begin our today's session with class Reptilia. You all know Reptilia is derived from Latin word reptum or repair, which means creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. Okay friends, so here Reptilia usually consists of all the organisms. Those are terrestrial, but some of them are also aquatic also. So their body has dry skin, उनके पर स्किन होता है, कॉर्निफाइड कॉर्न्स होते हैं, मीन्स चुप चुप ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಕ್ರೊಕೊಡೈಲ್ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ನಿಫೈಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್, ಮತ್ತು ದೇರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎಪಿಡರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ದೀಸ್ ರೆಪ್ಟೈಲ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ರೆಪ್ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್, don't have external ears. Same other condition which we have seen in the amphibians, that is they have tympanum. again ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಟಿಂಪ್ಯಾನಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟಿಂಪ್ಯಾನಮ್ represents the ear here also. Then what all you will see here also, limbs are present. okay, ಟಿಂಪ್ಯಾನಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ if present, for example snake ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ there are no limbs. Earlier it also had limbs, but now it has been evolved. So limbs, if they are present, they will be two pairs, the same hind limbs and fore limbs. okay friends, hind limbs ಮತ್ತೆ fore limbs ಇರ್ತವೆ, hind limbs and fore limbs. ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್. ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಗಿಲ್ಸು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿಲ್ಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್. ಮತ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್, ಹೌ ದೇ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. It is again closed type circulation, means where the blood flows through the series of closed network of blood vessels. Three chambered heart, again three chambered means two atria and one ventricle. It is again incomplete double circulation. Here one exception in circulation, that is your crocodilus, except crocodile where the heart is four chambered. Here crocodile has two atria and two ventricle like mammals. So here you will see double circulation. So this is about circulation in Reptilia. Then what all we will see, we will also see that they are poikilotherms. What are poikilotherms? Even amphibia are also poikilotherms. They are poikilothermic animals or poikilotherms. Poikilotherms means they lack the capacity to maintain or regulate, maintain or regulate constant body temperature. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಬಂತಾ, ಬಾಡಿನೂ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಬಂತಾ, ಬಾಡಿ ಹಾಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹೋಮಿಯೋಥರ್ಮಸ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದಟ್ later. So now when it comes to fertilization, in case of in case of reptiles, fertilization will be internal, means within the body of the female organism. Then when it comes to oviparous or viviparous, they are oviparous, egg laying, Okay, then development means how the young ones development will be. Here it will be direct or indirect. It will be direct development means here young ones will resemble the adults at the time of birth. They resemble their parents. Then we will also see that some reptiles, okay, some reptiles like you might have knowing snakes and lizards, okay, they shed their skin, molting, what we will call as molting. The skin is called as skin cast ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪರಿ, ಹಾವಿನ ಪರಿ ಅಂತೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. This process is called as molting. Process of shedding their skin is called as molting. So molting can be observed in reptiles, not in amphibians. This is the important point to be noted. So note this point, friends. So now the time has come to learn the examples. How to remember the examples of reptiles. Okay, how to remember the examples of reptiles. So how to remember the examples of reptiles? So the trick here is Cheetah crocodilus. Okay, Cheetah crocodilus, Alliga hemida. Okay, Alliga hemida test. This trick, it's little difficult trick, but on practice makes man perfect. Same here also it applies. Cheetah crocodilus Alliga hemida test. So Chi stands for Chilone. Okay, Chilone, which is turtle. CHA stands for chameleon. Okay, chameleon, which is your tree lizard, garden lizard, tree lizard. Then our CA stands for calotes, which is our garden lizard. Since they are scientific names, what we have to do, we have to underline. You might be knowing crocodilus is nothing but your crocodile only. Crocodilus, crocodile. Cheetah crocodilus. Here we have Alliga hemida. So alligator, same as crocodile only. Even common name is also alligator. Cheetah crocodilus Alliga hemida test. Alliga stands for alligator, and here hemida stands for hemidactylus. Very important. Hemidactylus, which is our wall lizard, home lizard, which you can see in your homes. Test stands for testudo. Testudo, which is tortoise, friends. Okay, these are some important examples that have to be remembered of the class Reptilia. Reptilia, Latin word reptum, creeping, crawling mode, locomotion, mostly terrestrial, cornified skin, scutes are present, 2 pairs of limbs, 4 limbs, hind limbs, respiration by lungs, gills, circulation closed type with 3 chambered heart, 2 auricles, 1 ventricle, their poikilotherms, sexes are separate, internal fertilization, direct development. Okay, their oviparous, and examples are Cheetah crocodilus, Alliga hemida test. So these are some important. Please remember, friends. See the trick. Cheetah crocodilus Alliga hemida test. Cheetah crocodilus Alliga hemida test. Skin cast is present in lizards and all. So this is about our class. So tomorrow we will continue about class Aves and Mammalia. So thank you, friends, for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for further notifications of my uploads. So thank you, friends. Have a nice day.